Imagine standing at the starting line of your YouTube journey. For many, uploading a video is about sharing a message, a moment, or a passion. But for those ready to think strategically, YouTube is far more than a content platform. It's a powerful business asset. The difference between a hobbyist and a successful creator is mindset. Are you simply uploading, or are you building a business designed for real income, growth, and impact? Today, you'll receive an honest blueprint to turn your channel into a sustainable revenue engine, one that thrives on compliance, strategy, and authentic connection.
Let's begin with the gateway to monetization, the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. Before you can earn your first dollar, you'll need to meet the program's entry thresholds, typically 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the past year, or a certain number of shorts views as an alternative. But hitting these numbers isn't a guarantee. YouTube's human review process looks beyond statistics to assess the quality and compliance of your content. Are you following the rules? Are you cultivating a safe, respectful space for your audience? This diligence ensures that monetized creators uphold the platform's integrity.
Once accepted, a range of monetization tools unlocks: ad revenue, super chat, channel memberships, YouTube shopping, and more. Each method offers unique opportunities for engagement and income, but remember, your eligibility and earnings depend not just on numbers, but on the trust you build with both your viewers and YouTube itself.
This trust hinges on your understanding of YouTube's policies. These aren't arbitrary barriers. They're designed to protect your channel as a valuable asset and ensure long-term viability. Start with the community guidelines. Prioritize safety, respect, and transparency. No spam, no hate speech, no misleading content. Violations can result in warnings, strikes, or even channel termination. Staying diligent isn't just good ethics, it's good business.
Next, consider the advertiser-friendly content guidelines, the real deciders of your revenue. Advertisers want safe, broadly appealing environments. Content heavy with inappropriate language, graphic violence, explicit material, or disturbing themes may be restricted or demonetized. Avoid glamorizing dangerous acts or promoting misinformation. Steer clear of hate and discrimination, and don't build your brand on regulated substances or dishonest behavior. Even commentary on sensitive events like disasters or conflicts can impact revenue, regardless of intent.
But here's a crucial nuance. Context matters. Educational, documentary, or artistic framing can make a difference, especially when discussing challenging topics. Always ask yourself, why am I sharing this, and how does it serve my audience? The right context can mean the difference between a video that educates and one that alienates.
Copyright is another pillar of protection. Use only material you own or have licensed. Familiarize yourself with fair use, which allows for commentary, criticism, or parody. Think reaction videos or analysis. But fair use is nuanced, not a free pass. When in doubt, create or license your own music, visuals, and footage. Protect your channel from claims or strikes that could jeopardize your monetization status.
Now, let's talk about diversifying your income portfolio. Relying solely on ad revenue is risky. Algorithms shift, advertisers change budgets, and policies evolve. Smart creators expand their streams. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products or services, but always disclose partnerships. Sponsorships and brand deals become available as you grow a valuable, engaged audience. Selling your own products like courses, ebooks, or consulting can be especially lucrative in finance and real estate niches. Fan funding through super chats or memberships rewards deep engagement.
This brings us to the 1,000 true fans concept. Deep, loyal engagement with a core audience is more sustainable and often more profitable than chasing millions of fleeting views. Focus on building genuine relationships. Value the trust your viewers place in you.
Growth, meanwhile, is about strategy. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Niche down. Become the go-to authority in your chosen field. Master SEO. Use intentional titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords to help the right viewers find your content. Consistency and quality beat occasional viral hits. Engage your audience. Ask questions, respond to comments, create community, and always learn from your analytics. Let data inform your decisions, just as you would with any business investment.
To recap, treat YouTube as your business. Know and respect the rules, diversify your income, and grow strategically. With sincerity, diligence, and a data-driven mindset, you're ready to build a profitable, lasting YouTube channel. Subscribe for more honest insights, share your biggest takeaway, and start building your YouTube legacy today.